If you guys are still watching, I highly appreciate it. I just, you know, wanted to go on a little ride in the Magnum. Let me go put some gas now. Let's give her a little gas. Oh yeah. Magnum SRT8, y'all. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not. I got the windows open, but it's a beautiful day. It's actually about to rain right now. I was gonna wash the actually I was gonna wash both cars, the Magnum and the Charger, but looks like it's gonna rain. But yeah, I'm actually going to take the Charger drag racing this weekend. So I gotta take the drag pack, get them balanced. I got some new lug nuts for it. And that's what's coming up next on the channel, guys. But like I said, I just wanted to try to make a cinematic type video. And I've got stuff going here. And just take you guys on a little drive with me. It's been a long journey, guys. I just recently got... I'm sorry, you know what, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to talk about it because this construction is insane. What's up, man? Yeah, I just got featured on Dodge Garage, y'all. It's crazy. I'm on Dodge Garage. It's such a big deal. It still hasn't hit me. I don't know why. I think it's just because I'm always looking for what's next. It's like I can't, it's like I'm not satisfied, I guess, you know what I mean? But it is a big deal. You know what I mean? I understand it's a big deal, and I'm very grateful. And like I said, it just hasn't hit me yet. But kind of hard to explain. It's just I'm always looking. It's like, you know, you climb the top of a mountain, and it's like, as soon as you get to the top, now you're at the bottom of the next one. It's insane. Ooh. Damn. What's playing? Hey, turn around, bro. Ooh. That was clean. I got that on camera. I've seen that dude around here. But what would you guys like to see next on the channel? Obviously, like I said, I'm going drag racing in the Charger. I'm going over at Firebird Raceway, I believe it's called. They're doing roll racing and drag racing. The drag racing is going to be in the afternoon. Roll racing is more in the morning. I almost feel like doing both. It's just, it costs money though. It costs money. Man, it is nice out here, guys. Beautiful weather. I do want to take the Magnum drag racing too. It's just, you know, I probably need to give her a tune-up. You know what I mean? Some new spark plugs. Make sure everything's good. Because I don't want to just beat on her. She's got 102,000 miles. Just want to do the proper maintenance before I take her drag racing. The Charger's good to go. The Charger's ready. Alright guys, getting to the gas station now. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm SRT Dad. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'm out of here, y'all.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway.